beats down. They've carved out hope far from any crown. Through trials and storms, they still find a way. In Rojava's light, new paths convey. Germany, come and learn these ways. Hand in hand through hopeful days, where hearts ignite for liberty. Rojava shows what we can be. They stand as one in the face of fear. Their voice is strong when the world won't hear. With seeds of change and soil of trust, they build anew, from dust to dust. Germany, come and learn these ways. Hand in hand through hopeful days, where hearts ignite for liberty. Rojava shows what we can be. Shared power, shared dreams, rising where the sun gleams. Their hope we can hold in our hands, and bring that spark to our lands. Germany, come and learn these ways. Hand in hand through hopeful days, where hearts ignite for liberty. Rojava shows what we can be. In every choice, let courage rise. Solutions found before our eyes. From Rojava's warmth and grace, we find our strength in a